What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious Yorkshire pudding, and this English pudding takes only 5 ingredients but it includes some technical skills. So brush up your baking skills and watch this video till the end. So the first and foremost step is to make the pudding batter. Firstly I am adding this flour. I am using all-purpose flour for this and some salt, and we will mix it. Then we'll add some milk and we're gonna add eggs one by one so that there has no lumps into this. As you can see, our Yorkshire pudding batter is ready. So what we're gonna do is we let it rest in the refrigerator for about half an hour, and we will line our baking dish. I'm using muffin tray for this Yorkshire pudding, and I'm gonna spray, or you can add some olive oil into this, and we have to bake it. Like, we have to preheat for about 15 minutes into 180 degrees centigrade.